What is that, Zinga? Zulu, what is that? What is that right there? What's that? What is it? What is that? I have an idea. Let's find out.
Arubas.
Who wants to go outside? Hey guys, time for some outdoor time, huh? It's a beautiful day out here. Yeah. Are you sleepy, Zinj? It's nice and warm out here today, huh, guys? Maybe you guys would like a drink of water? I have just the thing for you. PetNF was kind enough to send us one of their water bottles to try out, so let's do that now. This water bottle is really nice. It's got this little rubber cup on top that lifts up to turn into a spout, and then you can flip this little switch on, and you can squeeze the water right up into it, like that. Of course, it goes right back down, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here. Come on, guys. Come get a drink. There you go. Get a drink. Here, not off the ground. Get it. There you go. Very convenient. You like that? Yeah. Here, have a drink. There you go. It's very lightweight, very convenient. And when you're done, you just close that. I can even do it with one hand. Whew, get you. So I like it. It's a very nice water bottle. It'd be great the next time we go on a hike. Don't you think? Yeah? Well, what? Now you want more? Aw, you love your sister? You love your sister? You love your sister, huh, bud? Yeah. What's not to love about this beautiful face right here? What's not to love about that face? Or this one. Look at that face. Look at that face. So anyway, thank you PetNF for sending this to us. We look forward to using it next time we're out on an adventure. It's actually a very nice little product. And it is definitely approved by Basenji and Zulu.